let's look at this. We are asked to differentiate this, okay? We need to use the chain rule. As you can see in this place, to do the y dx direct, it's going to be very complex. So what we need to do, we use function of a function. What is that? This is the equation. We are going to replace this with z by saying y is equal to z. Then we still retain this. That is 1 over 2. It means, therefore, z is equal to 4x minus 3. So, now, we are going to say the y over the s is equal to the y over the z multiplied by the z over the x. It's still the same thing, because if I do this, I have the y dx. So what I will do now, I will first of all find this. Once I find this, I will also find this. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and do that. To find the y dz, that is, I have to concentrate here. Let me call this one equation 1. Call this one equation 2. If you like, I call this one 1, I call this one 2. It means from equation 1, I will have the y dz. So my dy over dz is equals to, I move this one down, that is 1 over 2 here. I reduce it by 1. Okay? That is that. If I work on this now, you agree with me, is this? This is minus 1 over 2. What is the meaning of this minus? It means inverse. That is 1 over 2, 1 over z raised to power 1 over 2. What is raised to power 1 over 2? It means square root. That is square root of z. Okay? You agree with me? This is equals to 1 over 2 square root of z. Okay? We have this now. That is the y over the z. Now let's go for the other one. That is to get what? The z over the x. We are going to use equation 2 for that. The z over the x. That is, remember there's one here. We move the one down to meet 4. We reduce this one by 1. Differentiation of this is 0. So no need to work on that. So this is equals to 4s raised to power 0 equals to 4. Because anything raised to power 0 is 1. So we have 4 here. So finally, we can now substitute this and this back to this place. That is to say, finally, our dy over the x, which was dy over the z multiplied by the z over the x, is equal to this 1 over 2 this multiplied by 4. What is z? Z is 4s minus 3. We substitute 4x minus, what was that? 3 minus 3 multiplied by 4. So this multiplied by this is 4. 4 over 2, 4s minus 3. This here 1, this here 2. That is to say, 2 over square root of 4 x minus 3. This is the final answer for the y over the x. Hope this understood. Thank you for viewing. Okay? We started from here. As you can see in this place. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Thank you.